It's snowing outside and we can't get out to get some pandesal. So let's just bake. You mix it like this, you put it like that, you put it like this, and then you pour it like that. And then you mix it like this. Mix it up. And then you masa like this. And this one too. And then you flex it like that. Oh yeah. And then you, what's that? And then you flex some more, like that. And then you slap it like that. Ooh la la. And then you put some lubricant, oil pala. And then you massage it like that and drop it like that. Then punch it like that. Then you scoop it like this. You buckle it like this. And then you roll it into the, what's that? What's that again? It's breadcrumbs. You pour the breadcrumbs like that. Sprinkle, I mean.
Ping, 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 ping.
And then you wait for it to alsa like this. And then you bake it like this. And then voila! You got yourself some pandesal. Now prepare some coffee so we can enjoy our pandesal.